Inhale deeply through your lumen. Exhale in 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a feast with me. And this is exciting because I'm infusing two of my favorite topics, wellness and tech. We're using the Lumen today. And what Lumen is a device that measures metabolic flexibility. It can tell you what you're burning based on breath analysis. Really cool, really high tech. It's perfect for fasters. Through breath analysis, it sees if you're burning fat or if you're burning mainly carbs. How do you switch throughout the night? How do you switch throughout the day? Do you need more carbs before you work out? Do you need less carbs for this day? Just kind of gives you an analysis based on breath. So as you saw this morning, I analyzed my breath, which is right around the range of not super fat burning, but using a little bit of carbs, just right in the middle. At least we have some knowledge about how to move throughout the day. When I woke up, I had a green drink and a scoop of probiotic powder. Love having that just to hydrate the body in the morning and get in some greens. And now I'm having my protein coffee. It's really good. So I'm dressed for the day. This is what I'm gonna be wearing to the gym. I'm gonna go take a body pump class. My workout bra. I have all these Amazon gym shorts with the scrunch butt because they make my booty look great. It's a little chilly, a little cool today. This is from Forever 21. So before I start my workout at the gym, I'm going to be measuring my breath again using the Lumen and seeing if I need any extra carbs or nothing at all before I feel my workout, just to see if there's any way to just improve my performance. This is a good day. This is a really cool day. This is the kind of tracking I appreciate more than the scale because it's beneficial. It's almost like a little challenge to see how flexible I can get my metabolism. It helps create a macronutrient goal throughout the day. So do you need this many carbs? Do you need this much protein? Do you need this much fat throughout the day? Just to help hit those goals based on your height, weight, all of those things, and your breath. That's tasty. And these are my sneakers. These are Adidas NMDs. My cool aunt gave them to me from England, and I love them so much. I think they're just so dope. I love the shape. I'm about to become a collector now. I need a little color on my lips. On the go, my Lumen has a little carrying case so I can measure when I pull up to the gym and take a before workout measurement. So I just could throw this right in my bag. This song makes you want to move in slow motion.
Bring me to the 6, why I really stay, baby. Show you why I am the way I am. I try to be consistent, but I can't.
Inhale deeply through your lumen. Exhale in 3, 2, 1.
Nice. So it says my body is ready for a workout. You gotta tell me twice. I'm burning mainly carbs at this point. Good, because I got carbs to burn. What you want to do is empty out your carb store, your glucose, and tap into your fat stores when the glucose stores are depleted. That's how you end up with fat burn. So good, because this workout is very high energy, so a good fueling for this kind of workout is necessary. All right, it's 9:03. I'm about to head in. It's a body pump. Body pump. Coffee is working, I see. So before you do your Lumen, it's really important to sit down and be very relaxed so you can get the most accurate reading. I'm gonna turn my Lumen on, and this will be my after workout reading.
Inhale deeply through your lumen.
I went from 5 to 4, so that means I used a considerable amount of carbs to fuel my workout. That's good to know. So when I use up my carb stores, that means I'm entering, like, you know, fat burning mode. We like to use up the carbs. Excellent. So I'm gonna have breakfast right now. To me, the breakfast of champions: eggs, bacon, toast with avocado. Keeps me full for hours, and have some water, a good amount of water. I have to go to IKEA today. Oh my God, my legs are quivering, y'all. Like, body pump, it's a great overall body exercise. My legs don't know what to do with themselves. Get this out of here. Okay. So this is breakfast: toast, turkey bacon, fried eggs, and a cooked tomato with avocado on the bread. Great protein and fat. A wonderful thing about the Lumen app is that you're able to track your food. They have 140 grams of protein for me for the day, based on today's reading, 144 grams of fat, and 165 net carbs. And net carbs is carbohydrates minus fiber equals net carbs. They have all these things for you, and if you'd like to, go ahead and log it inside the app itself. I love that. So I'm gonna eat and get ready to travel to South Bubble, and I'll talk to you later. I'm finally back from IKEA. It is currently 6:11, and would you believe I haven't eaten anything the entire day, and I'm not even that hungry, but I'm gonna eat. That's really to show you the power of fats and proteins in your diets, especially fats, because fats keep you full. What I'm gonna do right now is just see where I'm sitting at with my Lumen. Go ahead and get a reading. Oh, we're at 3. Every time I use my Lumen, it gradually improves my breath signature by taking multiple measurements throughout the day. So after 2 weeks, it'll give me a score rating my metabolic flexibility. What that does is gauge how well your body is able to switch from burning fat to burning carbs, and allows you to lose fat faster. I'm in the weight loss mode, so that's my goal, but you can also tailor it to improve daily habits, or you could use it to improve your fitness performance. So there's 3 different ways to use Lumen. I really am enjoying the Lumen. I feel like it's my accountability partner. So I'm gonna eat something and I'll come back. What I have been sipping on at IKEA is this Kavita kombucha and ginger. Very good for gut health, live probiotics, and 60 calories for this entire bottle. And I have been sipping on water. So literally this is my second meal of the day, and it's only 6:21. Let's see what I'm reading on my steps. 7,044 steps. I want to make sure I hit 10 before the day is done. 10,000 steps, and I've been doing such a great job, y'all, and it's been paying off. My stomach has whittled down a lot. I've been feeling a lot stronger, and when you work out, it really regulates your insulin, because working out is just a hormone regulator. So if you feel like you want to up your results, incorporate more exercise and have a goal. My food's calling me. So this is my dinner. This is some snapper. Absolutely delicious. I love snapper. Delicious white rice, because hashtag rice is life. Okay. Got some steamed broccoli. My mouth is watering just like all this extra saliva in my mouth. Let me put this camera down and get started because, whew, bon appetite. I'm looking at Lumen's website and I found something very interesting. So they have an article saying, can you fast too much? And that there's such a thing as over fasting. So apparently they found that 27% of users that fasted for more than 10 hours experienced a carb burn state. And this suggests that the body overextended its fat burning state and the stress response was triggered. If you fast for too many hours, it can trigger a counteractive stress response in the body. So that would kind of explain why yesterday I woke up at a 2 and why today I woke up at like a 3, 4. And that was my 36-hour fast. That is so enlightening. I like learning these things. So I'm gonna play with learning more about my Lumen levels and see what happens this week, and I'll keep you updated. But that's very interesting to know that you can fast too much. And it's true, your stress levels will kick in, and that's when cortisol, stress hormone, kicks in and starts holding on to fat. Ooh, I love science so much. Science! Oh, I'm really happy to have this gadget, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Because if I don't have to fast for 36 hours, then why do so? Okay. I look like the color purple, but it is around the end of the night. I'm gonna finish off this Suja green juice. I'm pretty thirsty. I don't feel like drinking water, so I'm gonna finish this off and then I'm gonna take a reading before I go to bed. I wanna let you know that it is normal to not have much of an appetite on your feast day. I struggle all the time trying to eat enough proteins, fats, carbs on my feast day and thinking that it's enough to power me through my fast day. On your feast day, it is so important to make sure you consider it a refuel day. We're so concerned about making it through the fast day that we just kind of overlook and skim over the feast day. The feast day is more important than the fast day. I'm gonna be honest with you. The fast day, all you need to do is not eat. The feast day is when you need to replenish. You are missing out on half of everything. Half of your nutrients, half of your vitamins, half of your supplements, half of your proteins, half of everything. So on your refuel day is the time you need to make sure you are getting in quality nutrients. I'm here looking at my cabinet and I don't want anything. Like, I'm good. So I'm not gonna force it. I know whatever I do choose, I'm gonna have to make it through this fast tomorrow. So it is what it is. So to round out this Lumen day, I'm just gonna do a Lumen reading before bed. So it says I'm in range 4, which means I'm burning mostly carbs, which makes sense. I had some juice. I'm really looking forward to seeing what the Lumen will tell me within the next coming weeks and how to track my metabolic flexibility as I go through this fasting journey. If you're interested in checking out the Lumen, go ahead and look in the description box for all the details. Whether it's fitness, weight loss, or good habits, even if you're not a faster, just checking on how your metabolism is operating throughout the day and what you're fueling off of is a great insight to have, just so you can stay on track and make sure you reach your goals. And your metabolism is doing what the metabolism needs to be done. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna head to bed. I've had a long day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.